today let's draw this calendar icon in Figma. All right. Take rectangle and draw it like this. Make it a little bit wider like this. Move it down. Add a stroke and remove the fill. And this position to center. Stroke value 1.5 pixels. Click here and join round. And the radius to 2. Press P for pen tool and then draw the line like this. This is actually for the hangers, or you can say hooks. So let's move it left and duplicate it and move it to the right. And radius to 2. Now double click to see the points. And let's remove this point. And also this one. And double click again and select this part. And delete it. Also this part. Now double click here and add 1 point here. 1 more point here. Also 1 point here. And 1 point here. Now let's select this part and hit delete. Also same for here. Now let's click here and in points round. All right. Now let's draw the number 1 actually. 1. And move it to the left and duplicate it. So we actually make it 11. Let's adjust it a little bit. All right, we are done. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and check out hugeicons.com if you need icons for your design and development projects. Goodbye.